Sit down! Hey! Oh, shit! Damn it!
Oh, Danny. Grandpa's Alzheimer's is getting worse. Yesterday he got lost in Kmart for 2 hours. Walking around, trying to find a door just to get out. He went missing from the house. He didn't even know where he was. He really didn't know where he was, but somehow he ended up at Kmart. They found him in the mousetrap section, and he was starting to take his clothes off. He was confused. He was confused. He didn't know where he was, he thought. And he got lost for 2 hours. Trying to get out. He was confused. My poor grandpa standing there with his pants around his ankles and he was working together to get out of Kmart. Danny?
Oh, shit.
Danny, are you laughing?
Your grandpa's an ass. The small, they don't give a shit.
Now, why did you move here from North Dakota?
My wife was fucking everybody in Bismarck.
Is that why you two got a divorce back in 1999?
That and her spaghetti sucked dick.
What's your opinion on gay marriage?
I don't hate gays. But there's some faggot ever trying to touch me. Oh. What?
Dad, there's a bird in the house.
What do you mean a bird?
Oh, I just flew in, opened up the door.
Holy shit! Oh, fuck! God damn it! Shit! 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 Fuck! Shit! 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 Fuck you! Shit! Oh, fuck!
Dad, you're gonna break everything in the whole house.
I'm too pissed to give a